AI is being used for scripting, for shooting, and producing movies.
American technology company IBM is likely to pause hiring for roles that could be done by AI. Of artificial intelligence booming worldwide, a Kuwaiti media outlet has unveiled a virtual news presenter which has been generated using artificial intelligence.
I'm actually made mostly of silicone, plastics, and carbon fiber. Also, I prefer electronic music, but I don't mind 80s hip-hop.
Artificial intelligence. In recent years, one of the most significant and transformative developments in technology has been the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, or AI. From the humble beginnings of computing in the mid-20th century to the high-tech, globalized world of the 21st century, AI has emerged as a powerful force capable of reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with one another. As AI continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, it raises important questions for society, the economy, and governance, inviting us to confront and explore the ethical implications of this groundbreaking technology. So what exactly is AI? In essence, AI refers to the ability of a digital computer or computer-controlled robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. These tasks can range from simple problem-solving to complex decision-making, learning, and even exhibiting human-like emotions. AI utilizes a diverse array of methods and techniques to achieve these feats, such as machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and computer vision. These tools enable AI systems to learn from data, recognize patterns, make predictions, and carry out tasks that were once the exclusive domain of human intelligence. The transformative power of AI is evident in its numerous applications across various sectors. In healthcare, AI has led to the development of advanced diagnostic tools capable of identifying diseases and conditions with remarkable accuracy. In finance, sophisticated AI algorithms are employed to analyze market trends, detect fraudulent activities, and provide personalized financial advice. In transportation, AI-driven autonomous vehicles promise to revolutionize the way we travel, offering increased efficiency and safety while reducing traffic congestion and pollution. These are just a few examples of how AI is reshaping our world and fundamentally altering the way we live. AI has also made the extraordinary breakthroughs in recent years, surpassing human performance in various domains. For instance, AI systems have defeated world champions in games like chess and Go, demonstrating their remarkable strategic and tactical abilities. AI-generated images and texts have become increasingly realistic, blurring the line between the digital and the real. Facial recognition technology has advanced to the point where AI can not only identify individuals, but also detect their emotions, offering new possibilities for human-computer interaction. These achievements underscore the immense potential of AI and its ability to redefine the limits of what we once thought possible. Current state of AI technology. The current state of AI technology is nothing short of revolutionary, with an array of methods and techniques that have enabled computers and robots to perform tasks that were once exclusively within the realm of human intelligence. In this video, we will delve into the main methods and techniques of AI, including machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and computer vision. Machine learning is a cornerstone of AI, allowing computers to learn from data and make predictions or classifications without explicit programming. This powerful technique has a variety of subtypes, including supervised learning, where algorithms learn from labeled data to make predictions, unsupervised learning, which uncovers hidden patterns in unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning, where algorithms learn by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards and penalties. Machine learning has proven essential in various applications, such as detecting spam emails, predicting stock prices, and personalizing online experiences. Neural networks, another vital AI technique, are composed of layers of artificial neurons that can process complex data and perform nonlinear functions. There are several types of neural networks, such as convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, which excel at image and pattern recognition, recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, which are designed for processing sequences and time series data, and transformer networks, which have revolutionized natural language processing with their ability to handle long-range dependencies in text. Neural networks have been employed in diverse applications, ranging from speech recognition to weather forecasting. Natural language processing, or NLP, is an AI subfield focused on enabling computers to understand and generate natural language text and speech. NLP encompasses a wide range of tasks and applications, including sentiment analysis, machine translation, question answering, and summarization. These applications have significantly improved human-computer interaction, enabling seamless communication between people and machines in various contexts, such as customer service, language learning, and information retrieval. Computer vision, another key AI domain, empowers computers to perceive and interpret visual information. This field involves tasks such as face recognition, object detection, and scene understanding, with applications spanning security and surveillance, autonomous vehicles, and augmented reality. Computer vision has also enabled the development of advanced medical imaging techniques, leading to more accurate and timely diagnosis. The adoption of AI in various industries has led to significant transformations, streamlining processes and enhancing decision-making. In healthcare, AI has been instrumental in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatment plans. Advanced algorithms analyze medical images, genomic data, and electronic health records, aiding doctors in making informed decisions and improving patient care. In finance, AI has been applied to areas such as fraud detection, credit scoring, algorithmic trading, and risk management. By analyzing vast amounts of financial data, AI can uncover patterns and anomalies that would be difficult for humans to detect, thereby enhancing the efficiency and security of financial systems. The transportation industry has also witnessed significant AI-driven changes, particularly with the development of autonomous vehicles. AI-powered navigation systems combined with computer vision and sensor technologies enable self-driving cars to navigate complex environments safely and efficiently. This innovation has the potential to reduce traffic accidents, alleviate congestion, and revolutionize urban mobility. In manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and improve supply chain management. By leveraging machine learning and advanced analytics, manufacturers can minimize downtime, reduce waste, and increase overall productivity. Despite the undeniable benefits of AI technology, its rapid advancement has also raised important questions for society, the economy, and governance. Ethical considerations. The ethical considerations surrounding AI use are complex and multifaceted, involving challenges and dilemmas that arise from applying AI in various domains. The impact of AI on privacy, fairness, accountability, transparency, and human dignity calls for careful examination and thoughtful discussions. AI poses numerous ethical challenges and dilemmas for society, the economy, and governance. To ensure responsible development and usage, ethical principles such as respect for human dignity, autonomy, agency, responsibility, justice, democracy, and sustainability should guide the creation and implementation of AI systems. AI can be harnessed for both good and evil purposes, and understanding these potential uses is crucial in navigating the ethical landscape of AI. AI can be employed to protect privacy by encrypting data, anonymizing users, and detecting security breaches. Conversely, AI can also be utilized to violate privacy by collecting personal data without consent, conducting unauthorized surveillance, or exposing sensitive information. Fairness. AI has the potential to promote fairness by reducing human biases, increasing diversity and inclusion, and providing equal opportunities. On the other hand, AI can also contribute to unfairness by amplifying existing biases, discriminating against certain groups, or excluding marginalized individuals. Accountability. AI can enhance accountability by providing explanations, audits, or feedback for decisions or actions. However, AI can also be used to evade accountability by obscuring responsibility, shifting blame, or avoiding regulation. Transparency. AI can be employed to improve transparency by disclosing data sources, methods, or outcomes of processes or systems. In contrast, AI can also be used to reduce transparency by hiding data sources, methods, or outcomes of processes or systems. Human dignity. AI can be used to respect human dignity by recognizing human rights, values, and interests. Nevertheless, AI can also be used to disrespect human dignity by violating human rights, values, and interests. It is essential to consider these ethical challenges and dilemmas when developing and implementing AI technologies. By acknowledging the potential for both positive and negative consequences, we can create guidelines and regulations that encourage ethical AI usage. Potential benefits of a future dominated by AI. The future holds incredible potential for AI to reshape our world in profound ways. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve and become more powerful, it promises to create new jobs and industries, increase productivity and innovation, and address some of the most pressing global challenges we face today. However, this future also raises significant ethical questions and concerns that must be carefully considered and addressed. creating new jobs and industries. One of the most promising aspects of a future dominated by AI is the potential for the creation of new jobs and industries that do not currently exist. As AI systems continue to develop, we can expect to see a growing demand for AI engineers, data scientists, ethicists, and other professionals who specialize in the various aspects of artificial intelligence. AI engineers are responsible for designing, developing, testing, and deploying AI systems and applications using a diverse range of programming languages, frameworks, and tools. Data scientists collect, analyze, and interpret vast data sets using statistical models, machine learning algorithms, and data visualization tools to extract valuable insights and patterns. Ethicists, on the other hand, focus on the study and evaluation of the ethical implications of AI systems and applications using philosophical theories, principles, and frameworks to address issues such as privacy, fairness, accountability, and transparency. In addition to these new professions, we can also expect to see the emergence of new fields and sectors driven by AI, such as biotechnology, cybersecurity, and education. In the realm of cybersecurity, for instance, AI can be employed to enhance the detection and prevention of cyber threats, creating adaptive and resilient systems that learn from attacks and respond accordingly. In education, AI can enable personalized and adaptive learning, providing intelligent tutors or assistants to offer feedback, guidance, and support to both learners and educators. Increasing productivity and innovation. AI's ability to enhance human capabilities and performance has the potential to significantly increase productivity and innovation across various domains. This can be achieved through automating tasks, augmenting decision-making, and providing insights. AI can automate tasks that are repetitive, tedious, or dangerous for humans, saving time, money, and resources while reducing errors and risks. Complex tasks requiring high levels of skill or expertise, such as medical diagnosis, legal research, and financial analysis, can also be automated, increasing accuracy, reliability, and consistency. Augmenting decision-making is another potential benefit of AI, as it can provide relevant information, suggestions, or recommendations based on data analysis, machine learning, or natural language processing. This can help humans make better informed, faster, or more confident decisions in various situations or contexts. Furthermore, AI can provide alternative perspectives, scenarios, or solutions that humans may not have considered or explored, expanding options, possibilities, and creativity. AI's ability to provide insights by discovering patterns, trends, or correlations from large and complex data sets that humans may not be able to process or comprehend can help gain new knowledge, understanding, or wisdom across various domains or fields. Additionally, AI can generate novel or original ideas, concepts, or designs that humans may not be able to produce or imagine, helping to create new products, services, or artworks. Solving global problems. A future dominated by AI offers the possibility of addressing and solving some of the most pressing global challenges we face, such as climate change, disease, poverty, and inequality. By leveraging the power of AI, we can develop innovative solutions and strategies that can have a significant impact on these issues. For example, AI can be used to model and predict the effect of climate change, informing policymakers and organizations about mitigation and adaptation strategies. AI can also optimize energy consumption, develop smart grids, and improve the efficiency of renewable energy sources, contributing to a more sustainable future. In healthcare, AI can revolutionize the industry by enabling early detection and diagnosis of diseases, designing personalized treatment plans, and discovering new drugs and therapies. Furthermore, AI can help track and predict the spread of infectious diseases, allowing for the development of proactive public health measures to prevent and control outbreaks. AI can contribute to poverty reduction by identifying areas with the highest need, targeting resources more effectively, and improving the efficiency of aid distribution. Additionally, AI can enhance economic growth by increasing productivity and innovation, creating new jobs and industries, and promoting education and skill development. AI can also help reduce inequalities by promoting fairness, diversity, and inclusion in various domains such as education, employment, and healthcare. AI can empower marginalized or disadvantaged populations by providing them with the access to information, resources, and opportunities that can improve their lives and well-being. Ethical considerations surrounding AI use. Despite the numerous potential benefits of a future dominated by AI, there are also significant ethical challenges and dilemmas that arise from using AI in various domains. These include concerns surrounding privacy, fairness, accountability, transparency, and human dignity. For instance, while AI can be used to protect privacy by encrypting data, anonymizing users, or detecting breaches, it can also be used to violate privacy by collecting personal data without consent, surveilling people without authorization, or exposing sensitive information. Similarly, AI can be used to promote fairness by reducing human biases, increasing diversity and inclusion, or providing equal opportunities. But it can also create unfairness by amplifying existing biases, discriminating against certain groups, or excluding marginalized people. Accountability is another ethical concern, as AI can enhance accountability by providing explanations, audits, or feedbacks for decisions or actions. However, AI can also be used to evade accountability by obscuring responsibility, shifting blame, or avoiding regulation. Transparency is also a critical ethical consideration, as AI can be used to improve transparency by disclosing data sources, methods, or outcomes of processes or systems, but it also can be used to reduce transparency by hiding data sources, methods, or outcomes. Human dignity is a fundamental ethical principle that must be upheld in the development and use of AI. AI can respect human dignity by recognizing human rights, values, and interests, but it also can disrespect human dignity by violating human rights, values, and interests. The potential benefits of a future dominated by AI are immense and far-reaching. From creating new jobs and industries to increasing productivity and innovation and solving global problems, AI has the potential to reshape our world for the better. However, it is essential to acknowledge and address the ethical challenges and dilemmas that AI poses, ensuring that the development and deployment of AI technologies align with our values and promote the well-being of all members of society. By carefully considering both the potential benefits and the ethical dilemmas, we can work towards a future where AI not only transforms the world, but does so in a way that is responsible, ethical, and inclusive. The key to achieving this lies in fostering collaboration between AI developers, policymakers, ethicists, and other stakeholders, ensuring that the technology we create serves to benefit humanity as a whole.